Single chimney flue tower is used as a central element for the three renewable energy devices in one unit. This tower must be constructed of concrete pilings of sufficient depth and with a base of adequate thickness to hold attachment bolts as the construction of high-rise buildings would dictate. Furthermore, all systems and electricity production will require electronic computer control. As hot air from a large greenhouse rises up from the central chimney flue tower in which this draft drives a singular rotary impeller that is assembled inside the bottom of the chimney flue tower, thus producing electrical current in an induction coil stators built above and below the lower inner rotary impeller with the neodymium battery. This rotary impeller will be supported and guided by a series of wheel roller bearings aligned to a circular motion. The chimney flue tower will in part be supported by shrouds or cables at the 45-degree angles. These guide wires will be attached to a triangular concrete pillars, as well as these pillars will support the roof of the greenhouse being made of polycarbonate. Steel reinforced concrete is stronger in force. Steel reinforced concrete is stronger in the force of tension and compression, that is, of a bending force. The outer walls of this part of the unit are automatically and manually adjusted horizontal louvers as to regulate airflow for safety and efficiency. As this is a greenhouse, any crop can be grown in this space, even algae for biodiesel or ethyl alcohol. Expanded polystyrene blocks would be used for algae culture canals. Also, the top of the chimney flue tower holds a second set of induction coils for each of the four rotors shown in drawing 1 as energized by a wind-driven impeller assembly positioned on a circular rail by ball bearing assemblies on the other sides of that of all steel type drawer, but however circular. View of the alignment of the neodymium magnets and coils being made 90 degrees out from one another, yet at 45 degrees from vertical. The blade tips of these impellers shall be marked with alternating patterns of contrasting paints. The blade tips of these impellers shall be marked with alternating patterns of contrasting paints easily visible to hawks and or eagles to prevent bird strikes, as they may fall on top of the greenhouse and cause damage. It should be reiterated that in both cases of the previously stated induction coils, that they are firmly attached to the lower as to create the maximum current. Multiple heliostats concentrate the sun's light rays onto a blackened fluid-filled heat exchanger loop, creating heat and transferring it to an insulated storage tank below ground level, containing pure dry salt to store for a time in which such as the need arises. Then steam from the heat exchanger is sent to a generator at that time to make additional electricity. Drawing 5 is that of a steam turbine and electric generator with no need for any shaft, as it is a ring with the blades inside and the permanent neodymium magnets and the ball bearing outside, and thus rolling inside the housing that holds the stator coils in red.